Hey guys, what is up and welcome to another episode of the Lazy Indian Techie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to quickly install Node. My name is Vinay and you can check out my other videos on my channel. If you want to support me, you can check out my Patreon on patreon.com/the Lazy Indian Techie. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and I'm going to show you how to quickly install Node using something called NVM. Normally you would go onto the website and install it using the download section, but updating it is kind of going to be a pain. So I'm going to go ahead and use something called NVM, which is a Node version manager, which you will find at this link, github.com/nvm-sh. You can just Google it and it'll be the first result. So I'm just going to go and scroll down to install an update script. And what you need to do is you just need to copy this and paste it into your terminal. So I'm just going to hit copy, go to my terminal. If you can see, it says Rosetta here. Check out my other video on how to create two separate terminals to use as Rosetta and an M1 Mac in case you're concerned about that. And cool, let's go ahead and paste this in here. I'm just going to hit enter, and because I have NVM already installed, it says NVM is already installed in this location. So that shows that NVM is installed. And now what you can do is, if you go down and read the documentation, you can just use NVM to install Node. You can always check out the help. Going to man NVM and it'll give you a list of all. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, NVM help, and it should give you a list of all the commands. And if you see the examples here, you can use these various examples to install Node. Now if you want the latest version of Node, you can just use this command to say nvm install Node, and it will automatically install the latest version of Node. If you want a specific version, you can use this command and say nvm install 8.0. whatever. And if you have multiple installations, you can always, at any given point for any project, you can say nvm use 8 and it will use only that particular installation of Node. So I'm just going to go ahead and say nvm install Node. Oh, typo, sorry about that. Node. Am I doing this? nvm. That's a pain. Well, at least I'm funny. So that's just going to do its thing and just download it automatically and install Node. And as you can see, it says now using Node version 16. Now I can go ahead and say nvm install, say 12.0.0, and it will install that particular version as well. So as you can see, both work. And if you check Node version, it should give you 12. So say Node, or say nvm use Node, I think it should switch over to 16, right? So you say Node version, it should show 16, and say Node use 12.0.0. Oops, Node. Okay, sorry, that was the wrong command. nvm use 12.0.0. it will switch again to Node version 12. So it's pretty simple, and as you can see, this will also install npm, which is your package manager. And this is the very quick way to kind of install Node and make sure you are able to manage. And if you want to see all the other commands and other options available, you can even just type in nvm and it'll give you all the other options, like updating stuff and making sure that the latest version is installed. And you can follow this particular method of making sure that you're always updated. And that's it. That is a quick video. Check out my other videos and show you how to kind of set up a quick website using npm and without any hosting. I'll put the link in the video below. And I hope you learned something today and use this to start off your project. Again, thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Leave your comments below if you have a better way of doing this, or if you have any feedback, and let me know if this helped you in any project. If you want to support me, it's patreon.com/the lazy Indian techie. Any contributions are most welcome, and if you don't have a few bucks to toss my way, do again share, like, and leave your comments.